Are you looking to get detailed insights into your orders, revenue, and staff performance? In this video, I'll show you how to use the Reports feature in the My Business Hub app, step by step. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to track completed and unfulfilled orders, analyze sales data, and even monitor staff and driver stats effortlessly. So let's dive in. First things first, open the My Business Hub app and navigate to the Reports section. Now, choose your business. You'll now see two main tabs, completed orders and unfulfilled orders. Let's break them down. In the completed orders section, you can track all finalized and fulfilled orders. There are multiple reports available. Let's start with the first one, Order Summary. This report provides a complete breakdown of your orders, including cash, card payments, delivery, pickup, in-store and restaurant orders, total number of orders, revenue, and percentage breakdowns. You can also download, email, or share this report by clicking on the PDF icon at the top. If you need advanced insights, switch to the Order Summary beta. Here you'll find total revenue for the day, total cash and card payments, offline orders and net sales. This view gives a complete financial breakdown of your daily transactions, and you can also click on Today and choose between dates. You can track where your orders are coming from. First-party orders includes orders from Food Hub, white label websites, and apps. Third-party orders includes Just Eat, Deliveroo, Uber Eats, and other order integrations. This helps you compare direct sales to third-party commissions. Want to know what's selling the most? Click on Products to view your top-selling items, total number, and revenue generated per item. Use this data to optimize inventory and pricing for better profits. Now, let's explore the Completed Orders tab. Select a date on the calendar to view all completed orders for that day. Click on a specific order to view more detailed information. If you need more details, switch to Completed Orders Beta, where you can see order IDs and timestamps, total tips received, and payment methods used, all available on the main screen. And just like before, you can download, email, or share these reports. Next, Analytics. This section gives you detailed performance insights. Here, you can track weekly and monthly sales trends, order data from the last 6 months and 8 weeks, customer reviews and ratings, average cooking and delivery times, coupons and discount usage, and much more. This data helps you improve the customer experience and increase efficiency. Now, let's check how your drivers and staff are performing. Driver stats, total deliveries completed, tips received, card versus cash orders delivered. Staff stats, total orders processed per staff member, cancelled and refunded orders. And if you need to track tips specifically, go to Driver Tips, view all driver tip amounts, Store Tips, view tips from in-store orders. This helps you manage staff efficiency and incentives effectively. Finally, let's check the merchant statement and unfulfilled orders. If you're signed up with Adyen for a card machine, you can view all your transaction details here. You can view monthly statements by choosing the appropriate month and downloading the statement. Next, unfulfilled orders. This section lets you track all cancelled, void, and refunded orders. You can also filter by a specific date range. And that's why using the Reports feature is a game changer for your business. This feature helps you gain financial insights, track order trends, optimize staff and driver performance, manage refunds efficiently, reduce costs, boost profits, and easily share reports, empowering you to make smarter, data-driven business decisions. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing!